On average, it takes about a year to rebuild a Tiger Moth, between about 1,500 and 2,000 hours. And once you've started one and you get to know it, then you're very happy to go on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. I first flew a Tiger Moth at Dartmouth in 1960. The first one came from a guy on the airfield. He knew that I'd finished a build of a biplane. He said, well, as you finished your project, would you like another project? There's a Tiger Moth in my hangar. Everything had been taken apart about 40 years ago and just left. These 5 that I've done over a period of 5 years. You've got a unique set of aircraft because there's nowhere else which has 4 Tiger Moths, all looking exactly the same, all flying in formation. You just don't see it in the country. The modern aircraft, the controls are very much better balanced, the aerodynamics are very much more developed. This is a 30s aeroplane and everything is pretty basic. So they're a challenge to fly, and if you fly them properly, they're very enjoyable to fly. Well, when I started restoring them, I realised that I wouldn't be able to keep them all insured and hangared because my pension doesn't go to that. And the way I thought I could actually keep the aircraft that I was restoring was to create a flying school. And that was when I contacted Annabelle and Clive. They've helped make a success over the last 3-4 years.
I think it's just a piece of history, and you're just caretaker with them. And she's been teaching for 81 years, my aeroplane. That's a long time to do the same job. And so I think it's just the fact you're taking a snippet of history and you're part of it.
I happened to be up at a local airfield, and Kevin said he was starting a flying school with 3 Tiger Moths. Would I be interested in coming along? Yes, Kevin, I'd be very interested in coming along. You're working as a team. It's not just one individual who can do this and do that. No, we're doing it all together. Well, these are the most awkward to fly accurately, and they're demanding. That's great. It makes a real pilot of you.